Oh! Oh! Oh, this is making me want to throw up. No. What up, fam? It's your boy Stewie. I'm here to make a video for you. You're probably like, who's this guy? Wait, that's that dude that almost died. That's me, this close, still here. Now, real quick, if you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button because, well, you get to see this beautiful face more often. And this beard. This beautiful beard. Sorry, I'm checking myself out over there. Should be looking at you. And also, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's see if we can get this video to 20 likes. And click that notification bell to let you know every time I upload a video, which is going to be weekly now. So I was watching the Morgan Adams video, Rylan Adams, Shane's boyfriend's video. I was watching her videos, and they were making slime with Elmer's glue and this stuff. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm not gonna lie. I've never done this before. I've never done a DIY before. But why not? What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take the glue, put it in the bowl, and I think you just put this stuff in it and mix it with some food coloring. I have no clue, honestly. We're just gonna see what happens. I got another camera set up right here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Look at this. Look, right here. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi. So first off, I'm gonna take the glue. Elmer's glue. Boom, shakalaka. We're gonna go ahead and dump. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh. Crap. Sorry. It's never happened before. Yes, it has. Alright. I got glue on my shirt! Damn it! It's okay. It's okay. It's a lot of glue. So now I guess you just put the food coloring in it. So I've decided to go with purple. Purple's one of my favorite colors. Red and purple are my favorite colors. But I really am obsessed with Power Rangers, like the old school ones. And the first movie had purple slime, so why not try that? So let's go and mix that. I don't know how much to use. Is that too much? Mixing the glue. Ooh, that's way too purple. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty! Holy crap! Dude, I should do my beard this color. My wife would love that. There we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. That color's so nice. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, I think it needs a little bit more purple. Just a little bit. Just like a boop, boop, boop. There we go. Yes, queen! Get it! Ah, yes, Stewie's doing it. Ah, yeah. Stir it. Yeah. Oh, that looks bad. Oops. Sorry, guys. Next up, they use this. Let's pour it. I don't know how much to pour. Was I supposed to do water too? Oh, I don't know. Crap! Let's get started. Stir, stir, stir the slime. Stir it in the pot. If it don't turn to slime, you f***ed up. Oh, 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 oh! Holy shit, it's doing it! Oh my gosh, really? Dude! Don't tell me my first time was a win. Oh, look at that. Oh, it feels, this is not slime. Oh, it feels like, oh, what the, that is not slime. Oh, I did this wrong, guys. I think I did this wrong. Oh, it's so, oh, 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 this is making me want to throw up. No. Oh my gosh. If you could feel what I'm seriously gonna puke. If you could feel what I'm feeling right now, just as it squishes. If seriously, it feels like intestines, like I'm playing with someone's intestines right now. Look at it. It even looks like intestines, like pink intestines, like, ugh. Well, guys, it didn't work. My first DIY is, oh dude, it's disgusting is what it is. Like seriously. That's just gross. Oh, I'm gonna get this all over my camera. Well guys, my first DIY was a fail. An epic fail. That is not slime. I should probably next time check a recipe. No, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't do it by recipe and just try to remember how people do it. That would be kind of funny. If you guys want me to try to make slime again, go ahead and comment down below. Also, leave some comments about any other DIYs y'all. Oh, this really feels disgusting, guys. Oh, I almost spilled it all over me. Oh, like, it's just gum. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know any kind of other DIYs you'd like me to do. The most commented or thumbs up will be my next DIY video. Keep watching. I'm also going to be doing parodies and just vlogs. I want to do another series where I talk about all my paranormal experiences. Sorry, I'm picking this crap off. I have a lot of scary experiences that you guys might enjoy. I'm gonna get cleaned up, guys. So if you like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you haven't yet, again, subscribe, click that notification bell. It'll let you know every time I upload. So if you want to see me more frequently, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at EpicStewieTube. And if you want to see my Power Ranger collection, which I know you do, because that's so cool, follow Real Megazord. On Twitter, I'm EpicStewieTube. I gotta clean this nasty mess up. I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video. You guys are awesome. Bye, guys.